things about yourself that you never recognized before. Art will help you become a better version of yourself, and it will help you showcase your talent. Art will give you confidence in showing your skills to everyone. Thomas Merton said, "Art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time." Number 5, art helps you to become more productive. A study reveals that people who work with pictures in their workspaces were 17% more productive and complete their tasks 15% faster than those people who have a plain workspace. Art is really motivating. When your surrounding is colorful, it gives you more life and energy, which makes you productive. According to John Lubbock, art is unquestionably one of the purest and highest elements in human happiness. It trains the mind through the eye, and the eye through the mind. As the sun colors flowers, man does not live with bread alone. That's exactly right. We live by beauty. We live by literature. We live by art, and literally, not metaphorically. We cannot live without it. Without art, the world will be a very dark and boring place. Art gives color and makes our lives meaningful. Art gives us the motivation to wake up every morning and motivates us in doing the things that we need to do. Art is very important. We need it. Yes, you can exist without art, but the question is, can you survive without it? Bob Emser.